Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate, love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, this your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do some easy and simple dry roux flour recipe. I'm telling you, this is going to be good for all kinds of gumbos. Let's go. So I'm setting my oven at 450 degrees. So we're going to preheat the oven right now. The next thing I'm going to do, I got my cast iron skillet. It's not treated. It's not prepped or whatever the case may be. So it's not seasoned on the other hand. I want you to use just about as much flour as you want, a half a cup, full cup, 2 cups, whatever. Because what we're gonna do now is we want to level out this here flour in the cast iron skillet, because we're gonna throw this baby in the oven to make that dry roux flour for all your gumbos, for all of your good savory gravy dishes. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. Don't talk about my elbow with that flour on it. So I'm setting my timer at 45 minutes, okay? Now, while this is cooking for the 45 minutes, I want you to do me a favor. Every 10 minutes, I want you to take that cast iron skillet out of that oven, and I just want you to take your flour and just spread it around. Break up some of these clumps. As you can see, it's turning brown already, okay? We're getting there, y'all. So every 10 minutes, I want you to do this, because after 45 minutes, this is what we've got. We got us some dry roux flour. This is good for all of your gumbos, all of your stews. And I'm telling you right now, it's good for jambalayas, even dirty rice recipes. And it's healthier than what we normally do as far as making roux on that stove with the grease and the flour. But I'm telling you right now, the flavor will still be the same. And you will love this here recipe dealing with your Cajun and your Creole style dishes. I'm telling you, y'all, if you want to see more of these here recipes, me using this roux flour, say, Ray, show me the recipes with the roux flour. Say, show me the recipes. Come on, somebody. And we're going to do more recipes with this here roux flour. So as you can see, I got a mason jar. You can store it up real good for months, and I'm telling you, it's going to be good, y'all. So thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Like this video, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, tell me what you would like to see in the future. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys. Peace.